Naturally, the Nitro is geared toward a much more sporty, an individual who is looking for a little bit more power and speed out of the bike. If it's a mountain bike, it excels better in off-road conditions, whether you're going uphill, not necessarily downhill, but in an uphill situation, it will benefit the rider. And just all in all, if you're going greater distances or want to travel a bit faster, the Nitro is a perfect platform for that kind of a rider. It has the throttle capability to where, unlike the other traditional e-bikes, you can use the throttle without pedaling at all in order to propel yourself forward at 20 kilometers per hour. The battery on the Nitro is a very efficient 48 volt, 500 watt hour power plant for the system that delivers very efficient feed to the motor and allows the bike to efficiently travel on average under normal conditions about 90 to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Well, first of all, the 500 watt motor is definitely larger and more powerful than what we find on the rest of the line. It's designed with efficiency in mind, making a pure design that's engineered to perform at greater speeds. Because the bike is designed to travel at a higher rate of speed, from 20 to 45 kilometers per hour, it reaches its most efficient point. The way that it's designed to put the motor in the rear hub. Essentially, by locating the motor in the rear hub, it gives us the greatest capacity to maximize the amount of torque that it can generate for the bike. So that way, the performance of the bicycle is exceptional. The display on the Nitro, as well as the rest of the line, gives you a tremendous amount of feedback, not only about the system itself, but the performance characteristics of the system. It'll provide you the speed, the capacity of the battery, the range of the battery, and whatever remaining charge is left, what that will calculate out to in range, so you never get left out without a battery on a long trip or any kind of a commuting situation. The light can be controlled through the display itself. We have a torque sensor that's located in the rear dropout. And by locating it there, and the type of sensor that we use allows the system to deliver clean, pure, but controlled power throughout the range of use of the product. It allows us to not have the system jerk or kind of jar the user. It's a very clean delivered amount of power as it's required. So as the pressure is put into the pedals in the system, it's read very cleanly. There's also a sensor in the motor that helps regulate the rotations, which adds to the purity and the efficiency that we get out of the sensing system on the bike. The Nitro could be upgraded in many, many different ways. Depending on how you use the bike or how you end up utilizing it, whether it's for commuting or just general riding, there's a tremendous amount of accessories that we offer under the BH line. One of the more unique items that we offer for it is a GPS tracking system. And what it allows you to do is purchase this additional equipment, and in the event that the bike is misplaced or lost or even stolen, it will track the unit and allow you to retrieve it in an unfortunate situation. The Easy Motion line of product has a number of different products that we can upgrade using. We have an extra rack for an additional battery. We have a cover that's used in winter to extend the life of the battery. We have a GPS tracking system. We have a quick release lever that you can add to the bike, both front and rear, and a lighting kit that you can actually introduce to the system. And so it can be upgraded in a number of different ways and really tailored to the use of the bike.